What's up, Glam Squad? This is your girl Dalu. Welcome to Glam Style with Dalu, where we're all about creating a beautiful, glam, and happy home. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. And if you like today's video, I know you're gonna like it. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Today, I am going to show you how I put together my aesthetically pleasing vision board. I'm also going to take you through the process on how I put the vision board together. If you are interested in seeing how I do that, please keep watching. Okay guys, listen to this. Raise your hand if this sounds familiar to you. Each year you would do a vision board, but you can never get to hang the vision board where you would like to hang it because you don't feel like it's pretty enough or it's beautiful enough. You ended up hiding it somewhere behind a door or places where you don't look at often. Well, that happened to me so many times. So because of that, in the past few years, I had stopped from making my vision board. Instead, I had written in my journal. So this year, I've decided to take things a little bit different. I've decided to take my time and do a vision board that is somewhat nicer and more beautiful, and so I can hang it somewhere where I can see it every day. Instead of using the regular board that we normally use to do a vision board, I've decided to go to Target and bought a photo frame, which is this one. Let me bring it a little bit closer. It is a 14 by 18. Now, if you do not like gold or you want something a little bit bigger, I have something else I'm going to show you. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So if you want something bigger because you want to put more stuff in there, you can use one of those. I also got this from Target. My husband is going to use that. By the way, my husband has a great channel, Leading with Intent is the name of the channel. Check it out. It talks about personal development and business development. It's a great one, so go check it out. You're going to have a lot of fun and you're gonna learn so much. I bought this for him so he can use that for his vision board. So I'm going to use those draw liners for him, so in his vision board, to make it nicer and more beautiful. I have a couple of them so he can choose whichever one he wants. So this is how we're gonna do his, but mine, I like the way it is, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So after I bought this, I had no idea it was that difficult to find a big photo frame. I had been to Marshall's, Macy's Backstage, Home Goods. I could not find any except at Target. That was the only place I was able to get those big frames. So if you want a bigger frame, you have to go to Target to get those.
Okay, so the first thing that I did was to go to my computer and type off my goals. I have a health section, I have a business section, I have a personal development section, and I also have a family section. Also, I selected some quotes and a focus word for the vision board.
And then what I did, I went to Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a place where you go, you can put pictures together, you do YouTube thumbnails, a lot of different things. It's very easy to use. Trust me, if I can use it, you can use it too. So I went and I created all of these pictures so I can have on my vision board.
My husband was kind enough to go to the CVS pharmacy and have the pictures printed. I used a paper cutter to cut the pictures.
So this vision board is going to be very simple and very easy once we get this going. All right, so let's put the vision board together.
I removed the cardboard from the photo frame and cover it with the draw liners that I showed you earlier. I have changed my mind and decided to use it. Unfortunately, this portion was not recorded. The camera went to sleep. I apologize about that. Before I start gluing the pictures on the photo frame, I line up all of them. to make sure that they have the correct placement and I also lay them out based on section. Then I glued the big picture in the middle first. I am using regular school glue for the process, nothing special. Please keep in mind, the big picture in the middle was a 4x6 and the smaller pictures were 3x2. The size of your frame will determine the size of the pictures. Once I was done with that, I used some glass cleaner to clean the frame and remove the finger marks. And put back the photo frame together, just like it was originally.
Okay guys, voila, this is how it looks like. Let me give you guys a close up. I hope you can see it. This is it. This is the vision board. It's very pretty. I'm gonna have it hang in my bedroom. Let me give you guys a little tour of my vision board. Okay, so I started with this picture that I took recently of me. I think it's a very nice picture. Really wanted to take a picture, really wanted to put a picture there that I'm really happy aesthetically with. So I think I'm very happy with this one. And I had selected the word, and the word for me for this year is belief. I really want to believe in the impossible. Just like anybody else, I have a lot of self-doubts, I have a lot of fears, so I really wanted to find a word that would push me to the core, a word that will guide me, that I can embody throughout that year of 2020. And for me, that word is belief. Second, I had selected 2 quotes that I thought speaks with me, and the first one that I selected is everything is possible to him who believes. I was going to put her there, but I forgot and him came out, so it is what it is, but in my mind is her. I really wanted that quote to guide me throughout the year. The second quote that I picked says that success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success, and greatness will come, because a lot of time we don't feel like we are good enough, we don't feel like we are capable, but at least if we can believe that one day we'll be great, I think that would definitely be the way to go. So this is why I had picked those 2 quotes. And the next, I wanted to start with health. I want to be healthier this year. It has been a goal of mine, I'm not gonna lie, for the past 2-3 years to lose 15 pounds. What I want for my family individually, I definitely want to spend more time with hubby. And the second thing is my little son, my youngest one. I want him to start having healthy eating habit and be more active, so because my son loves to eat. I'm gonna go over there where we talk about personal development. I also would like to attend a seminar with Brendan Burchard. He is a coach. I had attended his seminar before. It was so great. I had learned so much. It was a life-changing event for me. So I really want to go back there again. Another focus is to read and to listen to 1 book a month. Over here, this is my baby here, Glam Style with Dalu. We have our mission down here, and for my subscribers, I have 35,000 subscribers, so that's my goal for this year. I also want to partner up with Christop, which is one of the companies that made a lot of the chandelier that I have at my house. So I definitely would like to partner with them. So this is it. This is my work.
I'm gonna hang it in one of my bedroom walls so I can see it every day.
Don't forget to check the rest of the channel for some fabulous home decor. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Our goal is to get to 500 subscribers in 2 months. We cannot do it without you. I look forward to seeing you. Until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.